The minute you get 4 seconds into that call, they're going to be like, sales call, sales call. Think of an excuse. Dentist, stepping into a meeting. God, the good old stepping into a meeting. Literally stepping into a meeting. I'm stepping into a meeting. No, you're not. I have never grabbed my phone and answered stepping into a meeting. So you know they're going to try and eject for them, right? Hey, can I shoot you over a link to what we're doing so you can take a look when you get some time? Take a look when you get some time. They're going to be, oh yeah, absolutely. They'll still have to give their excuse because it was like chambered in their neural synapse. I was just stepping into a meeting. Awesome. What's the best email for you? It's Mike at MikeSparrowsConstruction.com. Perfect. I'll shoot something your way right now. Thanks for taking my call, Mike. Off. And this is counterintuitive to everything everybody's ever been taught in sales coaching. But it works, right? Because you're not going to catch Mike Adams from Mike Adams Construction and freaking one call talk about websites and this in one call close that guy. It's just not going to happen, right? And if it happened, it's an anomaly, not the normal thing. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.